One of my favorite oils forever, as long as I can remember, is definitely the castor oil. There's so many benefits of the castor oil for your skin, for your hair, for your lashes, for everything. You can even do some stuff for your belly button to help it cleanse. And this, I think, is one of the things that everybody should have. And this one specifically is for your hair, for the health of your hair. You can also use it to moisturize your skin, which you can put it on right after the shower. That's gonna help you right away. You're gonna see the difference of utilizing it right after you shower. Also, it will be an enhancement for your lashes and your eyebrows, so that's another thing. And also, it's good for massages. So this one is very good if you're doing a lymphatic drainage massage or something like that. It's one of the things that you want to utilize. Also, another thing that I like about this one is that it could be a fantastic caring oil, meaning that you can blend it with another oil and it's going to do very good. Actually, I've mixed it with black seed oil, and it's really good, that combination for your skin. If you want to do your lymphatic massages, or you're just gonna scrub it all over your face and your body, your legs, everything, it's really good. So this is something that is gonna last you a long time. Look at the size of this bottle, and it's cold pressed and Hexane-Free. So over here, it will tell you everything that you can use it for, how to use it. The ingredients over here is telling you that it's undiluted, unscented, Hexane-Free, and no added ingredients, which is exactly what you want. Also, you can do press with this, which you can have some fabric with it, and you can put it in different parts of your body with a little bit of heat, and it's fantastic. So use it for beauty, use it for health, but go ahead and give it a try for this castor oil in this presentation. So it's very nice to have, and I always make sure to have one at home for all the needs.